Looking at these images, I personally generate them for free with a simple AI that can turn any images into a 3D cartoon model within a speed. In this video, I will be walking you through around this AI that you can use to create any images like Cristiano Ronaldo, Davido, Wizkid, and make money online for yourself right there. So before you drop right in, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video so it can actually reach a wide audience. And comment down below, Stylar AI is on speed. Now on Stylar, what you simply do, you quickly sign up with your Google account. You land on this page right here, you quickly answer some few questions. I'm a designer, photographer, and of course I heard about Stylar AI on JB Make Money YouTube channel, and boom. Now using my link down below in the description, you have a free credits every 7 days. Now let's animate our images into a 3D character just like the ones you're seeing right here. You click on new project, it will bring you to this interface. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be using the aspect ratio 16:9 and the dimension to 1280 by 720. You click on apply. On the left side, I will be putting an image we are going to use for this tutorial. Once that's done, you click on image to image option. From here, you simply choose any of the style that matches your curiosity. Now we are going to instruct Stylar AI by adding a prompt based on the image we have right here. Wait, there is no need for typing a prompt. Stylar AI is going to generate a prompt based on the image we have, and hola, he just did. And you kindly increase the structure match option so it can actually fit in the image we are to create. You simply hit on stylize and watch this AI generate his magic within a speed, and boom, we have multiple images to cartoon. You kindly preview them, and if something you don't like, you simply go back to the prompt, you reprompt the text and hit on stylize, voila. But basically the first one is looking more realistic with the images we have generated. I think this is good to go. On the right side, you click on export and get to export this as PNG and select 2x to enhance the images and hit on export, boom. If this video interests you and you got value from this video, so kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and like this video, because the next AI video coming will leave you speechless. This video is on the go.